Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra. Book 5, The Flower Bank World. Above this, past as many worlds as atoms in a Buddha field, is a world called Supremely High Lamp, shaped like the Buddha's palm, resting on a sea of banners of perfume of precious raiment, covered by clouds of palaces made of jewels radiant as the sun, surrounded by as many worlds as atoms in 20 Buddha fields, uniformly pure. The Buddha is called lamp illuminating space. South of this repository of undefiled flame sea of fragrant waters is another sea of fragrant waters called sphere of inexhaustible light, with a world system called array of banners of Buddhas, composed of the sounds of the ocean of virtues of all Buddhas. At the bottom of this world system is a world called Lovely Flower, shaped like a jewel disk, resting on a sea of diamonds from a mine of diamond trees, covered by clouds of jewel mines projecting reflections of forms of enlightening beings, surrounded by as many worlds as atoms in a Buddha field, all uniformly pure. The Buddha there is called Joyful Countenance of Lotus Light. Above this, past as many worlds as atoms in a Buddha field, is a world called Sublime Sound. The Buddha there is called Wonderfully High Jewel Lamp. Above this, past as many worlds as atoms in a Buddha field, is a world called Light of Arrays of Myriad Jewels. The Buddha there is called Banner of Sounds of the Cosmos. Above this, past as many worlds as atoms in a Buddha field, is a world called Diamond Treasury of Fragrance. Excuse me. The Buddha there is called Sound of Light. Above this, past as many worlds as atoms in a Buddha field, is a world called Pure Sound. The Buddha there is called Supreme Energy. Above this, past as many worlds as atoms in a Buddha field, is a world called Array of Jewel Lotus Blossoms. The Buddha there is called Thunder of Clouds of Castles of Truth.